Hi folks, welcome back to MetaBox Tutorials. Today we're going to create a recipe with MetaBox and Oxygen. Here is my example. As you can see, this page contains the recipe information. All of this information will be saved in a post of a custom post type. The recipe's name and the dish picture are the title and the featured image of this post. The remaining detailed information will be saved in the custom fields. For the custom post type and custom fields, I use MetaBox. And all of this information will be gotten and displayed by Oxygen. As I said, we'll need the MetaBox Core plugin to have a framework for creating a custom post type and custom fields. It's free and available on WordPress.org, so you can download it directly. Besides, we need some MetaBox extensions for more advanced features. You can install them individually or use MetaBox AIO as I'm using. Make sure that you activate the following extensions. MB Custom Post Type helps to create custom post types. And MetaBox Builder has a UI on the back end to create custom fields easily. The last one is Oxygen. You should use the 3.9 version or upper, which has the native integration with MetaBox already. Let's start now. Go to MetaBox and create a new post type for the recipe. After creating a new post type, you'll see a new menu appear here. It's your post type. Let's create custom fields. First, choose the text field for the simple information such as prep time, cooking time, resting time, and total time. For the other text information that you want to edit and format, select this field. The last field is the video. Normally, we use the URL field to save links, but if you use it, Oxygen will display the link in text only. Then we must take a few more steps to convert the link into the video preview. However, MetaBox has the OEM embed fields that allow you to save the link and display it as the video preview on the front end. So choose this one for more convenience. That's all for the custom fields. Next, move to the Settings tab. Choose Location as Post Type and select Recipe to apply these fields to this post type. Back to the post editor, you will see all of the newly created custom fields. Now, I'll create a template with Oxygen. I choose the inactive default page to inherit its style. In the singular section, choose the post type as recipes so that the post in this post type will use this template. Let's create a new post in the newly created post type. Pay attention here, we can see the template is already rendered for this page. Just fill in the information for the recipe. Let's edit the template. First, select a section component to contain all of the recipe information. Then add the heading component. Connect this component with the post's title by clicking here and choosing Insert Data. Here, we'll see the options in the post section. Choose the title. So, you can see the recipe page's title. Next, add the column component to divide the beginning information into two columns like this. Here, choose this type of column layout as I want. In this column component, there are available two divs equivalent to each column. In the first div, select the featured image component to get the image saved as the post's featured image. Now an image is displayed immediately after selecting this component. Move to the second column, which covers all the information about the completed time. I'll create another div inside it. This one is for a row here. I rename it to make it easier to remember. In this div, choose the text component, then connect it to the corresponding field. Take prep time as an example. Then choose the heading component and name it. For the cooking time, resting time, and total time information, do the same. To save time, duplicate this component and change the information. For the ingredient information, I need another div in this section component. Then rename it. In this div, choose the heading component and name it. Next, click the text component, then connect it to the corresponding field. The following information is similar, so do likewise. I also duplicate this component to save time, then just change the information. Pay attention to the video. There is a difference here. We don't need this text component, so just delete it. Do you remember that I saved a YouTube video link in the OEM bed field? To display that data, I will add a video component. This is the default video preview from Oxygen. Let's change the link here by inserting the dynamic data from the custom field. Click this button. Then choose the Meta Custom field, and choose the field's ID. Now you'll see the video preview immediately. It is taken from the link saved in the custom field. In step 1, I created the video field as an OEM bed instead of a URL. If you use the OEM bed field, your video will be displayed on the page and you can play it directly. Otherwise, if you use the URL field, the video will only be displayed as text. So remember to use the OEM bed field. For the resting information, do the same with the ingredient information. We've finished getting all of the information about the recipe. Back to the front end, you see all the recipe information is already displayed. For styling, go back to the page editor with Oxygen. Then choose each component and change the settings to style them. I'm styling the image. Next, I'll style the display of the completed time information. First, name the class. Note that I'll use this class for similar information like the cooking time, resting time, and total time information. Just need to do it once and then apply this class to that information. So it'll automatically get the same style without being time-consuming. Now, style it in your own way. Go to the recipe page on the front end, you'll see the new look. That's all for the tutorial today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to us for more tutorials. Bye.